BBQ ribs today. Make sure you wash your meat first. Cut your slab to the size you want it. Place it in a baking dish. Season with black pepper, Cajun seasoning, onion powder, and garlic powder. I like a lot of seasoning on mine. Cover it and bake at 350 degrees for 1.5 hours. Prepare your favorite sauce. Look at those ribs! Now let's cut them into individual bones. Time to add the sauce. Add a lot of sauce. Put them on a baking dish that is lined with foil. Now brush the rest of the sauce on them. Place them in the broiler for 10 minutes. Now this is how we make ribs in Lavonne's kitchen.